Bow windows are a beautiful architectural feature that adds dimension, natural light, and panoramic views to a home. With their curved design and multiple glass panels, they often become a focal point in living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms. Like any home feature, however, bow windows require proper care to maintain their appearance and performance. For homeowners in Austin, regular maintenance helps ensure bow windows remain functional, efficient, and visually appealing for years to come. Keep the glass clean and clear because bow windows include several panels. They allow a significant amount of natural light into your home. Dust, pollen, and outdoor debris can accumulate on the glass over time. Austin homeowners should clean bow window glass regularly using a mild, non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth. Clear glass not only improves visibility but also enhances the brightness of interior spaces. Inspect the frames for where the frame of a bow window plays a crucial role in supporting the structure and maintaining a secure seal. In Austin homes, homeowners should periodically check for signs of wear, such as cracks, peeling finishes, or separation at joints. Early detection of minor issues can prevent larger problems from developing. Check seals and weather stripping. Proper sealing ensures bow windows perform efficiently and prevent drafts. Austin residents should inspect the seals around each panel and along the frame. If weather stripping appears worn or compressed, replacing it promptly helps maintain comfort and energy efficiency. Clean and maintain hardware. If your bow window includes operable side panels, the hardware requires occasional attention. Hinges, locks, and cranks should be cleaned and lightly lubricated as needed. In Austin homes, this helps ensure smooth operation and prevents unnecessary strain on moving parts. Monitor for moisture issues. Moisture buildup can affect both the window and surrounding wall areas. Austin homeowners should watch for signs of condensation between panes or water intrusion around the frame. Addressing these concerns early protects the integrity of the bow window structure. Keep the surrounding area clear. Bow windows extend outward, creating additional exterior exposure. Maintaining clear space around the outside of the window helps prevent debris from collecting near the base. In Austin homes, keeping landscaping trimmed away from the window area reduces dirt buildup and potential damage. Protect interior surfaces. The extended design of bow windows often creates interior ledges or seating areas. Regularly dusting and cleaning these surfaces prevents dirt accumulation. Austin homeowners can also use appropriate window treatments to help manage sunlight exposure and protect interior furnishings. Schedule periodic professional inspections. While routine homeowner maintenance goes a long way, professional inspections can identify hidden issues. In Austin, scheduling occasional window checkups ensures that structural supports, seals, and flashing remain in good condition. Maintain structural support. Because bow windows project outward, they rely on proper structural support. Homeowners in Austin should ensure that any supporting brackets or exterior components remain secure and intact. If anything appears loose or misaligned, professional evaluation is recommended. Preserve long-term beauty and performance. Bow windows are a long-term investment that enhances both interior comfort and curb appeal. With regular cleaning, inspection, and minor upkeep, Austin homeowners can preserve the beauty and functionality of their bow windows. Proactive maintenance not only protects your investment but also ensures your home continues to benefit from abundant natural light and architectural elegance. A simple routine for lasting results. Maintaining bow windows does not require extensive effort, just consistency and attention to detail. For homeowners in Austin, following these simple maintenance tips helps ensure bow windows remain a stunning and reliable feature. By caring for glass, frames, seals, and hardware, you can enjoy the comfort, style, and natural light your bow windows provide for many years to come.